What up everybody, how you guys doing today? Today we are going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the 12-foot Scarecrow from Lowe's. Oh my god, I cannot believe I have this thing. This thing is insane from what I've seen. And oh my god, I've already took a little peek in. I haven't taken anything out, but I took a little peek in and oh my god, the quality is amazing. We just need to get straight into this. Right off the bat, I took off the first part and there's like tethers, it looks like. Yeah, and there's the adapter. So that's good. There's tethers which will keep it on the ground. First thing to do is take out the clothing. Oh my lord. Even the clothing is high quality. These are ground stakes. Oh, I'm not gonna take those out right now because you guys know what ground stakes are, but like, yeah, I'll keep them in the ground. Okay, so this is upper legs with the control box and LED stuff. I honestly, I can't tell you guys what this is. Probably something to do with like the hip or something, like to build for him, but honestly I don't know. So this is the shoulder form for him in comparison to me. Yeah, he's gonna be huge. Okay, what is this? This looks like the scythe kind of thing. Big. Here is the chest. There'll be a light that I showed you earlier that'll shine on this to make it look like a fiery, kind of like a fire effect at night. So yeah, definitely have to put it where it's somewhere it's dark. Y'all thought Possessed Pumpkin's head was big. Talk about this. I'm taking this out of the packaging. We have a bunch of support poles. These I'm not sure if these are for hands or something, but yeah, these are some very heavy duty support poles right here. This is the hips. Put this when you pile up, and yeah, that'll be the hip kind of thing. Looks like something for the chest, not 100% sure. Yeah, I don't know what that is, honestly. So I can get these poles out. These look like leg poles right here. These are huge. Definitely, they're very heavy. These have to be like a couple pounds each at least. Metal base supports lower leg poles, upper right leg pole. So there's just more to what will keep him up. I've seen this guy in video, but like videos do not do this guy justice at all. This thing is massive. Every prop's gonna look so small compared to this. Okay, here we go. Last couple zip ties before the face comes out. So, this is what will go on the ground to keep him down. This is his base. Yeah. Last piece in here is the hip loop. This will be his hips. So, half dreading it and half so excited. That was the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get to the setup. right, guys, so we are outside now, and I had a hell of a time making this video. The first time I unboxed him and set him up, I actually failed to do so because, one, I think the ceilings were actually a little too small for him, and also it was just way too hard for me at the time. So what I did is I took him down that day and I made a new approach to him because I just did not expect him to be that hard to set up. So I quit that day and I included that footage, but I didn't film any today because I felt like that was a lot of the reason, because I felt like held up by the camera. So I just, yeah, took me over an hour, but I did get him together, and I tested him once and he works really well. So let's plug him in. I can't wait to see this guy at night for sure. Here we go. Here we go.
The harvest moon lights the blackened sky. Dark creatures wander in the pale moonlight, searching for new prey to join them in the night. Run for your life and don't look back. Halloween is upon us, and spirits haunt the night. Beware to all, for my side is sharp and sure to fright.
All right, guys, so there he was. This guy is absolutely amazing. He is absolutely huge. This lamp is like, I don't even know how tall. And yeah, I guess that lamp's about 12 feet tall because he is 12 feet. And it might honestly be 13 feet with that hat, because the hat is absolutely huge too. He is an amazing 12 foot. I'm so glad I got him back in June, actually. So I've had this guy for a long time. I just haven't made a video because what I told you guys earlier. So is he worth $400? I would say so, yes. His quality seems really good. He has these huge base pieces that jet out on each side, which really keep him up. He does sway, but that is awesome because he needs to sway or else he would fall or snap. So yeah, he does sway a little bit, but that is fine. I don't think he's gonna snap on the bottom because he's got all these on each side. Yeah, so I think he'll be here for many seasons to come. All right, I will leave a link in the description to buy this guy if you would like. I will also leave a link in the description to the merch store. Thank you guys so much for watching. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.